How to schedule Facebook posts. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now this can be done on both iPhone and Android, of course. So yeah, let's get started. So what you want to do is simply just create an actual post, of course. So here I'm going to create a post with a photo. Select this one. And then I'm going to turn this off real quick. And of course here you can add a caption and whatever, and you can edit it to whatever you want. And then the most important key part of this is to simply click on next. And here it says schedule for later or publish now. So if you click on schedule for later, you can actually schedule it for a different time. So for example, over here real quick, Saturday at 5 p.m. So I'm going to save that. And then I am actually going to post this. And now it is being posted. So it says your post is scheduled, manage. So yeah, here you can actually see your scheduled post right here in manage posts, as you can see. So that is how you can view it. And that is how you can schedule Facebook posts. So I hope this quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did. And then I will see you next time. Have a good day.